New meter Aicevoos As88A. It is a 6000 count Catii 1000V and Catii 600V multimeter. It uses AAA 4P battery. Size is 195 x 92 x 52 mm. Weight is 397 grams. And DC watt 0.1 milliwatt to 1000 watt. AC watt is 0.1 microwatt to 750 watt. Frequency is 0.001 Hz to 9.999 MHz. Resistor is 0.1 ohm to 60 megaohm. Die output is mixed is 3 watt. Continuity when lesser than 40 to 60 ohm may be turned on. NFC function for testing transistor 0 to 1K. And capacitor is 0.001 nF to 100 MF. DCM 0.01 microamp to 20 amp. ACM 0.1 microamp to 20 amp. Temperature is minus 20 degree to 1K degree C. Let's see the meter. It made in China. And it comes with a parser and a repair card, a user menu, a meter, a test pen, 4P of AAA battery, and a spare fuse. Let's see the user menu first. There is the meter. And this meter only have Chinese user menu. Okay, let's see the meter. There's the flashlight. That is the NCV antenna. And this is test and the remote control. And this function key and hold key. There is a transistor tester. And this top and backlight. Now this is off. This is a DC wall. Make is 1000 watt. This is 1000 watt. In this is AC voltage. Now it's AC voltage. AC voltage. And there is ACM. ACM. There is a DCM. Then it's a logic XFE testing for plug in the transistor in this one. And then there's a Hertz duty cycle testing. And then this ring is the capacitor testing, die test, continuity, and the resistor testing. Okay, let's see the meter. Let's see the DC reference voltage of this meter. Let's open the skin test first. .5 volt. It's so 2.5 volt. 5 volt. It's so 5 volt. 7.5 volt. It's so 7.5 volt. 1 volt. 10 volt. It's so 10 volt. Okay. DC is a SKC of this meter. Let's see the AC. Now testing the AC voltage. Voltage is a 221. This meter is a 222. It's okay. And let's see the meter. Another function. Let's see the Hertz. Now it's sold 50. Okay. The Hertz is 50. in this position. That is 50. And the duty cycle is 50. Okay. Let's see another function. Now is the die test function. Let's have a hanger of this meter. We see the die test. ISO 0.5 is okay. The die test okay. And use the die function to test the LED light on. Wet is okay. ISO 1.5, 1.7. One 798, 1.8, 1.8, 2.5, 2.5. It's okay. It can light up all the LED. And let's see the continuity. It's so far of this meter, but the reading cannot show out. You can use as time for display. 1, 2. You can see the continuity. The make sound about 86. Normal is 82. Or 75. Okay. Okay, let's see the testing of the resistor. The low arm ring. 1 ohm ISO 1.1 ohm. The cable short is 0. Okay. 10 ohm. ISO 10.2. Okay. 10K. It cannot show. Wise up. It cannot because it's a low K. Upper. ISO 10.02K. 20K. ISO 19.99. Okay, 100K. It over. Wise up. 100.4. Okay, 0.5K is to 0.4. Okay, 2 Met 1.997 Met. No, rise up. It's to 1.996 Met. Okay, 5 Met. It's to 5.02. 10 Met. It over, rising up. It's so 10.86 mega. 22.3 Met. It's so 21.65 Met. Okay. The resistor test finished. It's okay. Of this meter. Okay, let's see the another function. And this meter have a capacitive function. In this wing, in a white one, there is a capacitive function. Now we're testing the more one. 10 mil. Discharge first. It's so 10.6V. Okay. Another 100. Discharge first. It's so 1.108 Meg. It's okay. Now try another capacitor. There's 25. Discharge it first. Use the test pen. It's so 25.5. Okay. Let's test a bigger one. Discharge it first. It's so 4.422 megafarad. It's okay. And this meter have another function of the NCV. In this position, there's an NCV. Let's see the meter NCV function. It's so long for testing the NCV. Sensitivity is very good. When near, they have a wet night, but no any bar come out. Okay, let's test the cable. It's also very sensitive. Okay. This meter no live wire testing. We use the meter test the live wire. not need a source. Hot wire, neutral, earth, and the hot wire. The hot wire, the light may be wet. Neutral also have some, but also an bin light. And use another test lead. This bad light, bad lead test lead. Also wet, maybe have wet light. Neutral, no wet light. You can separate the light wire. That's yellow light. That yellow light. The light wire, hot wire is wet. Okay. Let's see the meter another function. And this meter have a remote control testing function. By passing this to this way, you can test the remote control. They have a 1A to display. 1A. And this the receives the signal. When it receives the signal, they will have a red light. Direct for this meter to the lamp. They have a red light maybe on. They have received the function like this off function, on function, mode switch. It can receive the signal of the infrared remote control. Okay, let us see the light turn off, light turn on. It can have a red light. If you direct in to this, they may be on the red light like this. You can see. Okay. The remote control test function. Okay. And this limiter have a current test function. Let's see the current. This remark you can turn the meter to another way, like in the 20 amp way. Okay, we can see the meter current. And now it's in AC current, also no function. This is DC current. Okay, we test. There may be 2.9999 current. The supply also 2.99. Okay. DC current test finished. And let's see the milliamp function. Milliamp function, we must be turn the meter to the milliamp, and this spot, and we can see the milliamp now. By using a source, and lessthan the current source. The current source is 20 milliamp, but this meter shows 21.66 milliamp. The low milliamp function may be not very well of this meter. Okay, let's see another function. Let's see another function. There is a HFE testing for this transistor. This transistor is a 9012. It's a PNP function transistor. Placing the transistor inside, and they will have a reading come out. HFE 406. Okay, you can read the transistor HFE. Okay. Let's see another function of the hole. Let's see. In AC, they will show the AC. And then plus this one long part. They have hold the data. The data may be whole. Long part is dismissed. Like this. Short part is changed to the Hertz function. And short part again to the AC voltage. Okay. Test finished. Meter teardown. They have a soft plastic case cover, and they have a magnet cap on the circuit board or the metal board of this one in the back side. Okay, we open the meter now. And the meter inside, no any shielding of this meter. Okay, let's see the inside. They have two fuse, PTC, die, and a main IC, and the NCV and the flashlight. Okay, let's try to open it. It is a meter inside part. It very clear of the circuit board. And then this backlight inside it. And this, let's see. They have a clear backlight. And this have a gold contact of this meter. Okay, let's see the backlight. This is the backlight of the meter, and downside I have no any parts inside it. Only have a contact of this meter. Okay, now full in of this meter. Thanks for watching. See this meter and CV. It about 5 cm maybe send the electricity. When near the red light may be on. Its sensitivity also okay.